This is Boy Red. He is the heaviest in the litter at 5 pounds 12 ounces. Is that right? Or now I'm second guessing myself. Yes, 5 pounds 12 ounces. He's one of the darkest color-wise. He is almost as dark as the darkest. And so that's always, people always seem to gravitate towards either the really light or the really dark. But he is one of the dark ones. He's obviously very curly and really just as cute as he can be. But you can see even the back of his coat is starting to curl up more than some of the others because he's a little bigger and probably a little further along the development spectrum here. So this, with all his little is Boy Red.